In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a hall for stairs in Planner 5D. So to do this, first you want to add your room. I'm going to add this basic one over here like that. And now you want to pick where you want to have your stairs. Now I want to have my stairs over here at the top. So I'm just going to go and add the stairs over here just to kind of visualize them. I'm going to go with these most basic ones I could find. And yeah, that's going to be it. I'm going to rotate them and they're going to be over here. Now what you want to do is actually create a new room to actually fill it over here next to it, okay, to actually put the stairs into that room. So I'm gonna go to rooms, and then I'm gonna pick this one, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to kind of change it to where it's going to fit just roughly in there, okay? So of course we're not gonna be precise right now because I do not want to waste your time, but still it's going to work quite well. So this is going to be our room over here, and inside this room we're gonna have our stairs just like this. I think you can kind of visualize how this looks like. If I go to 3D mode over here, you can see we have the first floor over here, and that's how these are looking. Now, what you then want to do is, of course, delete these walls. So I'm going to go to this wall over here, and I'm going to hide it. And I also have to hide the bottom one, so I have to essentially split this wall to pieces. I'm going to go and put this one, I'm going to go and put this one over here, and I'm going to, if it's going to let me hover over it, it is, there we go. Oops, it's still putting me back, so I might have to do this a bit differently. Let me actually move this out, and I'm going to move this in like that, there we go. And then I'm going to move this back in just like this, okay? So we're going to put it like that, and then we have to, of course, hide that specific wall as well. So we're going to just mark it, hide it, there we go. We've successfully hidden our wall, and it now looks like this. We have the access to our stairs. Now what you want to do, back in this mode, you want to click on this room, so it's going to be this room which is just below our stairs over here, and now we're going to hide its ceiling, okay? So we're going to go and click on over here. I'm going to click on hide seal, which is going to hide the ceiling, and there we go, the ceiling is going to get hidden. Now whenever you do that, you also have to create a new floor. So I'm going to click on over here, I'm going to do new floor, and there we go, we have this floor over here. Now what you want to do, you simply want to delete this room over here on the second floor, and then when you do that, as you can see, we have the second floor, and now we don't have the ceiling over here, but we do have like the room. So what you want to do is now just simply build the second floor. So we're on the second floor. I'm going to add a new room over here, which is going to be pretty much the same as kind of the bottom room over here, because of course we're making like a same house. That's going to be sufficient right now. And now you also want to make a new room for this part of here, so I'm going to position it over here. Let me create one really quickly. It's going to be a bit rough, but yeah, it's going to work. So, oops, my mistake. Now, sometimes it can be a bit tricky actually moving these around. So, yeah, you have to be careful what you are doing. I'm actually going to create a new one over here. So, let me remove this one, and I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to position it like this. There we go, okay? Now, we're going to put it over. So, if I just do it like that, should work. Yeah, okay? So, I'm going to click, and I'm going to position it. So, I'm going to move it around. So, I'm going to kind of fill it over here, okay? Now this is going to be roughly the same size as the one we have down in the first floor, okay? Now if I go to 3D, you can see we have this, and then here of course we still have the walls, so we have to kind of hide these walls again. I have to do the same thing over here as well. I'm gonna go and split this, and now I'm going to actually split it to where it's going to fit over here. Hide this wall as well, like this. There we go. We now have hidden the top wall as well. And what you want to do is now go to this room and hit hide floor. When you do this, if I go to 3D mode, you can see it's not the most precise. However, it is working, and we have over here, it's looking like this. And now, of course, we have successfully created a hole for our stairs in Planner 5D. Of course, you could go and kind of extend this room as well, so you can of course create like a stepping point for those stairs if you want to as well. You can add them too, and you can be a lot more precise than I was, but that's essentially how you can do it, okay? So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.